Good morning, student. Welcome back to today classes and revision and the first Rome letter. Today I am going to give a revision the second lessons. The first Rome letter Phillips. The first one, the early man lives in dash. So nowadays we are living in different houses and different form of houses we are living. But the early man they were lived in dash. So caves, caves. Caves அப்படினா வந்து நம்ம குகை அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். The early man lived in caves. And the second one, the period before the inventions of script was called dash inscriptions. So the period 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 before 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 the inventions 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 of script script was called a dash inscription. Brahmi inscriptions. So what is the meaning of inscriptions? So inscriptions அப்படின்னா வந்து நம்ம கல்வெட்டு அப்படின்னு சொல்லுவோம். அண்ட் பிராமி BRAHMI பிராமி, இன்ஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் INN, ஸ்கிரிப்ஷன்ஸ் SCRIPTION இன்ஸ்கிரிப்ஷன். The period before the inventions of script. So before inventions of script it was called a Brahmi inscription. And third one, the period that used iron tool was called. In a particular period the person, our early humans, only they were used iron tools, so that the period was called Iron Age. Iron age spelling is IRON AGE age. The period that used iron tools. The iron tools means the things are used to hunting and doing some other work. So at the time the people only they were used iron tools, so that the period was called Iron Age. And the fourth one, the first scientific invention was called dash. The first scientific means that is first creations of human beings. So what is the first scientific inventions of human beings? Stone wheel. Stone spelling STONE, stone, wheel WHEEL, stone wheel. The first scientific 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 inventions was invention meaning is called the creation. The first scientific, the first creations of human being, it was called stone wheel. And the fifth one, name one site where historical research is still going on. So nowadays now also the research is going in so many places of Tamil Nadu, and one of a place it's called Keeladi, KEELADI, Keeladi. And what is the use of this researcher? And this researcher will help us to know about our ancestor period and our early human being life history. So this research will help us to know about our early human peoples. And one site research, historical research is still going on, so that the place it's called Keeladi. And the Keeladi spelling is KEELADI, Keeladi. Thank you.